Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. If I have custody, do I have to tell the opposing party what events are coming up and where I'm going with the kids? That's the question that somebody asked us. It's actually a very good question. What it really boils down to is, what does it mean to have custody as it relates to the other person? Does it mean that I have exclusive dominion over the kids and the other person is not involved at all? And if that's the kind of program that's being run, can I well expect that when they have the custody, I'll have nothing, no involvement at all? Is that what you're trying to accomplish? Well, I will tell you one thing. However you set it up, because the court's not going to be that specific about it, however you set it up, expect that the other side is going to treat you in kind, in the same exact manner. I think the best thing is for the parents, at least for the sake of the children, to try to get along to some degree. Therefore, if you have something coming up, you're not obligated to tell them, I'm taking the kids to the ball game. But you could certainly, on the flip side, if there's an event that's the kids are going to be gone for an extensive period of time, or they're going to be out late, you should certainly at least share that with the other parents so there won't be worry and there won't be concern. I would say that if you're going to take the kids out of town, or it's your weekend and you're going to Chicago, are you obligated to tell them where you're going? Probably not. You don't have to tell them to risk that they might show up or something, but you should certainly have the kids call, do the appropriate thing. They don't need to know where you are as long as they can reach you and reach the kids and know that everybody's safe. So you're really not required to check your calendar with the other parent. Obviously, if there's something that has to do with the health and safety of the children, that's a different story. If you decide you want to all of a sudden take the kids skydiving, that might be a decision that you want to make with the other parent. You might want to run that by them because there are, safety concerns and other. But the general proposition is when the kids are with you, you are not obligated to share your calendar with the other parent. If you want to do it to keep good relations, if you want to do it because you want that transparency back and forth, I think that's an excellent idea. But nobody can call you up and say, how dare you take the kids to Somerset? You didn't tell me you were going to do that. If anybody does that to you, they're just being overbearing and overreaching. They don't have a right to that information. Now, sometimes it's not so easy to determine. Clearly, taking the kids to, the jungle in Brazil versus going to the mall, those are the opposite extremes. But there's a lot of space in the middle, which may be gray areas. If you have a question about that, of course, reach out, and we'll be glad to give you guidance in that regard.